Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by confirming your car supports Apple CarPlay via a wired USB port. Use an original Apple Lightning or USB-C cable for reliable connectivity and data transfer. Ensure your iPhone is unlocked and powered on before plugging into the car. If your iPhone has a case, keep it on unless the cable struggles to seat fully. Confirm you are using the car's primary USB port labeled with a smartphone or phone icon. Plug the original Lightning or USB-C cable into the car's USB port and then into your iPhone. Unlock the iPhone and watch for the CarPlay permission prompt on the phone screen. Tap Allow. On the vehicle display, choose the CarPlay icon or source labeled Apple CarPlay to launch the interface. If the car offers a prompt to trust this phone, accept it to store settings for future use. After connection, control CarPlay through your car touchscreen, knob, or voice commands. If CarPlay does not connect, restart your iPhone and the car's infotainment system first. Try a different genuine Apple Lightning or USB-C cable if the connection is inconsistent or the cable looks damaged. Open iPhone settings, tap General, then CarPlay to forget and re-add the vehicle when prompts fail. Update your iPhone to the latest iOS version to resolve compatibility issues and install any car firmware updates from the dealer. For persistent problems, consult your vehicle manual or contact dealership support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.